Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Harley J. Today we're doing a quick tip for shooting action. Intro. Oh, hi there, yeah. So today I'm giving you a quick tip for shooting action. And it's this. Yep. When you're using your camera and you're shooting action, all you have to do is you have to do this. Shoot handheld when you're doing action because maybe someone is punching, kicking, and there's a fight. You don't want it to be smooth and steady. That just ruins the mood. You want it to be because that pumps. It's like when you're kicking and punching, you're breathing heavily, and by doing this, it's kind of like every time you move the camera, that's another breath. And if you move the camera so much, it makes the audience feel like they're the camera, and they're breathing hard, and they're in the scene. They're right there, and they're like, and they're along in the fight too, or whatever's happening. Maybe there's a chase, whatever. It makes them feel like they're along. So make sure to do handheld, because that really helps. Booyah! See you next time.